here are the ingredients we're going to need to make this dish. We're going to be using shrimp. We're going to take the shells off these, and then we're going to simmer them. The spices that we're going to be using are cayenne and oregano, and at the very end we're going to be adding some nutmeg. We're going to be cooking the shrimp in some red onion and some garlic, and we're also going to be adding lemon, and we're going to be cutting this rosemary here. For our cumin rice, we're going to be needing first a veggie base. That's what we're going to use. We're not going to be using just pure water to make the rice. We're going to add a little bit more flavor with the veggie stock. We're going to take our rice and we're going to toast it with butter and with cumin seeds, and then we're going to add our veggie stock and some salt and pepper, and when the liquid has reduced, we're going to be opening a can of black beans and stirring those in. And then for our garnish with that, we're going to be using cilantro. We're also going to be needing some white wine vinegar and some wine and some oil. We have a Parmesan Reggiano blend of cheeses here and our asparagus.